everybody. How's it going? If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the Nubwo HG04L wired headset. This is one of their newest and cheapest headsets that are meant for console gamers. We're going to be looking at it, what it comes with, which is not a whole lot, but it does have a little bit of a powerhouse built into it. So we're going to check it out and see what all it can do. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into it. Alright, and here it is, the Nubwo HG04L gaming headset. Looking real nice, simplistic packaging. Right here on the side, you see you get a 1-year warranty, customer service, and the support email if you have any questions or issues with the headset. On the back, a little bit of details. Yeah, this one is going to be the white model, and there's the barcode if you need to scan it. Socials on the side, so nothing too crazy. Very simple packaging, and then we'll go ahead and open this thing up. But before we do, we got to talk about what this thing can do. So we're going to start out with the tech specs, which there's nothing crazy to it. It's 40mm drivers. They do 20 to 20,000 hertz, which we will test that later with our ears test for the frequency response rate. It does come with a mute button that you can actually click in, push in, and mute the mic, so you don't have to worry about it being always active or anything on the cord. And it has foldable and rotatable ear cups that go up to 90 degrees, and you can fold these things up, and it's good for travel. Total power needed is up to 32 ohms for the power, and it has a 1.4 meter length cable, which is meant for using a controller with your Xbox, your PlayStation, Switch, something that's in your hand, nothing super long. And finally, the weight of it is supposed to be around 260 grams, which we'll verify that here later. And of course, with all that verification things we're going to be checking out here later, if you enjoy so far, maybe think about like, maybe subscribe, maybe. If you're not fully sold yet, it's okay. Just wait on for it. We're going to continue going forward. If you like the details and if you have any questions about it, drop it in the comments down below. If I don't test something that you would love to see done, just feel free to let me know. If I have it or if I can do it for you, I'll get back to you in a day or so after doing the testing and let you know the results. But let's go ahead and hop back to the unboxing. Let's see what we get. All right, and let's go ahead and get this fully unboxed here. Got the headset in a nice little bag. And then we get the manual down here on the bottom. And that's all we get. There's no extra accessories. It's all self-contained. It's all together. Already coming pre-folded. So again, good for travel, as I mentioned just a bit ago. We've got it to where you can fully articulate it left, right, inside. You got the full motion, because not everybody's head's the same shape. So this gives it a lot of mobility for moving around on your head to make sure it fits properly. We'll go ahead and pull out the only accessory we get, which is the manual. And this shows a little bit of diagrams on how you can use this. And you have a QR code there for the 1-year extended. And then you can see the package comes with a headset and the manual. And shows just small little diagrams of what you could do. This is for the Xbox, PS4, PS5. We have Nintendo Switch, Mac, which also is also PC. And then mobile tablets if it has a headphone jack. A little bit of after-sale details and the tech specs that we just went over. Okay, and that's it for the manual. Then back to the headset itself. We've got the nice PU leather and this nice little plastic over the microphone. Microphone is really nice and can go out of the way. It's got a smooth action, fully bendable for your face to get it in the right spot. I love that this can be just fully put up out of the way. I would love a detachable mic, but if it's not detachable, at least let it go all the way up. Here on the other side, we've got the logo and a little bit of design with the name of it. Plus, this can fully bend up, left or right. And this makes it easier for travel. Makes it easy to be put away. We do have some adjustment here up the top. They say it is 0.39 on the adjustments. The actual headband itself is pretty cushy. It's the same material as the ear cups, which means this could be fully sealable, at least on your ears, and how that goes. And then that cable, as I mentioned, that's going to be a 1.4 meter cable. Got a little bit of gold plating going on here, so it looks really nice. Went the extra step for it. And everything's just really well built. These are $20 on Amazon, and I've seen these as low as 10 with coupons. But generally about 15 to 20 is what you'll be looking for. We got a volume rocker here on the side where the cable is, plus that on and off for the mute switch for the mic. So there's nothing on the cable, nothing to give any extra weight. It's all on the headset. And so all you have to do is take the cord, plug it into your controller, and you're pretty much good to go. Or device, whether if it's your laptop, tablet, whatever you want to use this for. As long as it's got a headphone jack, this is going to work with it. But now that we've checked that out, let's go ahead and go into some testing. So we're going to start off here with the ears. We get to test the frequency response rate, and you're going to hear some comparisons with our benchmark headphones, the DT990s. Those are very well reputable online, good hi-fi type of cheap, but also still good headphones. So if you want to check those out, do a quick Google search to understand that. But we're going to go ahead and listen to the sound profile differences with our test music. So let's hear that. That was a sound test. Surprisingly, the fact that these are hundreds of dollars separate with the prices, surprisingly not terrible. The Nubos, not as crispy, but you can still feel the lows. You can still hear them. You can hear the hi-hats. You can hear everything with it. And so it really showcases that they actually have a really good set of specs and speakers inside of here for $20. I'll be honest with you, I've seen more expensive headphones do worse. So the fact that these are wired, 32 ohms, nothing less, and the fact that they come pretty decently close, which we'll go ahead and I'll scoot over here and we'll see the graphs here. They're surprisingly, again, pretty close. When you take into account that basically one is 10 times more expensive, the Nubos start looking really, really good. I mean, it's for anyone who's doing mobile gaming, console gaming. I mean, you're going to be getting a solid experience. Yes, it's wired. You could have wireless like the ones that are on my head for the G06s. But the fact that $20 or $15 on sale, I really don't think you can go wrong with this, realistically. But there is still another portion, which is the mic. So let's go ahead. We have the normal one that you've been hearing now, and so we're going to be using this as kind of our baseline since you've been hearing that. Let's go ahead and do the mic test here, and let's go ahead and see how that sounds.
Okay, so this is going to be the test first. This is with the microphone just straight from it to my computer. It's sounding pretty okay. It's not bad. Again, for the price, this is going to be pretty good. It's being able to pick you up just right off to the side. But let's go ahead and see what it sounds like with SteelSeries to bring some of that back up. Okay, and this was SteelSeries bringing a little bit of those lows back up. Again, sounding pretty good. Your teammates will be able to hear you. It's not a complete garbled mess, and so it's going to be clear. It's not the highest quality, but it's still a headset mic, and it's going to be able to work, and people are going to be able to hear you. And if you're on PC, SteelSeries is an option. And so far, not too bad. Let's go ahead and hop back to the video and keep on going.
Okay, and so after hearing the mic, it's not bad. It's not the greatest. It's still a headset mic, right? It's still up here. It's on it. They're never super good. There's been a few exceptions to that rule, but it's really not terrible. I mean, again, walking into it, you're thinking $15 to $20 headset. What are you expecting? It's not this. These are honestly very well-rounded. The mic's not complete trash and garbage. The speakers are super great. Comparatively, they honestly, again, better than some that are 2 or 3 times the price. So far, these are winning in my book for if you just need a cheap pair of headphones that are good, you can game with them, your teammates can hear you, and they're not going to hate how you sound. It's not bad. And if you're on PC, obviously you have SteelSeries that we listen to as well that does enhance that a little bit further to bring back some of that fidelity because it is still a headset mic, but it's really not that bad. Okay, and next we're going to be going into the sound test where you can hear how loud all the buttons and all the clicks and everything with it is, so you know what you're getting yourself into. So let's hear that. Okay, sounds great, which we'll also do the sound meter here shortly, but let's go ahead and dive into the weight real quick so we can see how heavy it is. The specifications they have on their site say it's going to be 260 grams. Now, looking at this one, it's a little bit higher, almost 280 with the cord and all. I don't know if they tested that with the cord hanging off, but we're going to be about right at 280. Now, manufacturing differences that yours could be a little bit lighter. It just may depend, but I don't know if it's the white versus black because we have 2 colors you can choose from. But next, let's go ahead and go into the sound meter. So you heard all the clicks. So let's go ahead and see what the levels of that are. Okay, moving the scroll wheel around, clicking the button. You're not really seeing anything over 37, 38 decibels. It's extremely quiet. Moving stuff around, there's a little bit of clicks and creaks, give or take 40, 45 maybe, depending if it clicks. The top adjustments will be the loudest ones, close to 60 if you just close it and shut it down really loudly. But other than that, it's what I would expect from a headset as far as loudness goes. The mute button's actually surprisingly quiet and clicks in and clicks out when you're done with it. So, I mean, you could maybe make that a little louder if you just like click it and move your finger really quickly and let it shoot out. Maybe. But everything's pretty much right where I would expect it to be for the noise of everything. The quality of the mic and the speakers for $20 to $15 blows me out of the water. I mean, clap and hands off to them. Fantastic headset for the price. Link for it will be down in the description if you guys want to pick it up. It does help support the channel, and Nubwo loves it too. But these are fantastic. Definitely, I have really no bad things to say. Not only do I not have anything bad to say, the price makes it any better. Because, I mean, if it was a $100 headset, obviously there'd be something bad to say for the price, but this lines up way above its pay. So what you're getting is going to be way better than what you would normally get. Say if you went to a regular store and bought something off the shelf, these are probably going to be better. I can almost guarantee that. Because most big name brands, you're paying for the name, and then cut it in half, and that's probably what the actual product should be priced at. But with that out of the way, I appreciate you guys being here. If you guys are listening to this right now with my voice and seeing me on screen, You are the best. You've made it this far. Appreciate the retention on the video. It really does help. Helps the algorithm. And so if you guys would mind at this point, if you haven't done it yet, please sub. We'll be back with some more stuff. We got a lot of stuff to come on the way. And you guys will enjoy a lot of that. If you're looking for some keyboards, some charger stations, wink, that might be on the way. And we've got just plenty more. Keyboards, mice, everything that you're used to seeing. So you guys have a great one. I'll be here. If you need me in the comments, if you have any questions, let me know. But until the next one, I'll see you soon.